Asbestos Lawsuit Guide, Compensation Claims and Legal Process. If you or a loved one has developed mesothelioma or another asbestos-related disease, filing an asbestos lawsuit may be an important step to receive compensation. Asbestos manufacturers and employers often bear legal liability. A lawsuit can help victims and families recover damages and justice. This guide provides an overview of the asbestos litigation process and how an attorney can help. What is asbestos, and how is it harmful? Asbestos refers to toxic mineral fibers that were heavily used in various industries for insulation, fireproofing, and construction. When asbestos breaks down, microscopic fibers are released into the air and can be inhaled, causing cellular damage and genetic mutations that lead to deadly diseases like mesothelioma, lung cancer, and asbestosis. Why file an asbestos lawsuit? Lawsuits enable victims to hold accountable the companies that negligently exposed them to the dangerous carcinogen asbestos. Financial compensation can help cover expensive medical bills, lost wages, and other hardships caused by asbestos diseases. Lawsuits also bring justice and closure. Types of compensation in asbestos lawsuits. There are two main avenues victims can pursue compensation. Lawsuits, you can sue asbestos companies directly for negligence. Asbestos trusts, many asbestos defendants have established trusts to pay victims. Experienced mesothelioma attorneys can pursue compensation through both means. Steps in the asbestos litigation process. The process of filing an asbestos lawsuit involves preparing the case, compiling medical history, employment records, exposure details. Filing the lawsuit, naming all potentially negligent parties. Discovery, attorneys collect evidence through research, depositions, expert testimonies. Settlement negotiations, most cases settle out of court. Lawyers will aggressively negotiate. Trial, if no settlement reached, the case will go to trial. Why hire an asbestos lawyer? A qualified lawyer offers investigation into how and when asbestos exposure occurred. Legal experience identifying all potentially liable parties. Courtroom and settlement negotiation expertise. Dedicated support throughout the legal/emotional challenges. Maximum compensation through all available channels. Don't go it alone against big companies. Hire a lawyer to fight for your rights. Conclusion. Going through an asbestos disease diagnosis is difficult enough without having to pursue compensation alone. Mesothelioma and asbestos attorneys have decades of experience helping victims and families nationwide. They can handle your case so you can focus on your health. Consider contacting an accredited lawyer for a free case evaluation.